What's up guys, welcome to our channel Etechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix Windows 10 login problem. We will show you the steps and the method to fix this problem, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Method 1. Check keyboard. In this method you have to check the keyboard because in a lot of cases we usually turn on some of the keys which shouldn't have to be on, like caps lock, and we turn off the number lock in some cases if you are using numbers. So you have to check all of those things. You have to make sure if you have any special character on your password, then you are pressing that character properly or not with the use of shift key. If you have hash, dollar or % sign on your password, then you're pressing it properly or not. You have to keep in mind you're using the correct password to log in into your Windows 10. Method 2. Safe mode. As you're facing a problem related to login, there could be a possibility that you are not able to log into your account while you're trying on this main screen. So what we can do in here, we can go to the safe mode and there we can try the password, and if you are able to log into your safe mode, then you can able to fix this problem. And it has been added on tech forums and on other technical sites that this method helped a lot of users to fix their problem. So what you have to do on your keyboard, you have to press and hold it down, the shift key which is on the left bottom side. You will see shift written on the left bottom. Press and hold it down. Click on this power icon. Select restart. Click restart anyways. And keep on holding the shift key until you get this screen. Once you'll have this screen, release the key. Afterward, click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Here you have to select this option, Startup Settings. Select it and you can see the information in here. Restart to change Windows options such as low screen resolution and all that. We have to go into safe mode, so simply click on Restart. Alright, here we can see press a number to choose from the option below. Use number key or function key F1 to F9. So we have to go into the safe mode. We can choose safe mode with networking, but we are not doing any kind of networking troubleshooting. So we can simply select safe mode as well. So press F4 on your keyboard, or either let's go with the F5. Go into safe mode with networking so that we can check few other things as well. Click F5. Once you'll click F5 on your keyboard, you will be on your safe mode with networking. It will take some time to log in into your safe mode. Just give the time and afterward you'll get a screen like this. As you can see, my screen is stretched and I can see an option to type the password. So you have to type the password in here and make sure you're not using any kind of things which gives you the error that password is wrong, like you leave the caps lock on or the number lock is off. For number lock you can use the left side of the keyboard because you can see all the numbers in there. And if you have a special character in your password, then you have to hold the shift key and then you have to press that character in the password. So let me type the password in here. Let me log into my safe mode with networking. Alright, I'm in my safe mode with networking. You can see safe mode in all four corners. Here you can see that. So I can able to log in here. That means I can able to log into my main screen as well. Now I simply have to click on this Windows icon, click on this power icon and click on restart. and restart your Windows 10 PC one more time, and afterward you'll get your main screen where you can try to log in again. Simply click on the screen and type the password in here. You can see now I can able to log in to my Windows 10. If you have Outlook password and you're not able to log in with the use of that password, then you can try to reset that as well. The method 3 is reset Outlook password. I will mention the link in the description of the video. You can watch that video and you can reset the Outlook password with the use of that video. If I'll try to show all the steps in this video, then this might be a longer than we expect. So you simply have to reset the Outlook password. You have to go to outlook.com and there you have to reset the password and you have to set up a new password in your Outlook account. And once you're done with that, simply restart your computer, and after restart you can put the same password into your Windows 10 and you will able to log in to your Windows 10 computer. So that's all for today. These are the steps and the method you have to use to fix Windows 10 login problem. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.